Nation, what it do? Man. Back up in this thing, man, with another one, man. Gonna pick up some little parts, man. For, you know, another piece to the puzzle. So I had to come down here to the shop. Man, y'all need some more. Y'all digging what y'all seeing, man, go ahead, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell, man, so every time I drop, y'all know it. What you doing, Big Mike? Huh?
Have nots.
Have and have nots. Those you been watching? Big Mike over here, man, fixing cars and shit.
You know what I do,
Got the big Sierra over. Got the big Sierra over here, man. Tiara Grill.
Yeah, this is gonna pay for it, right?
Tiara Grill on the Bonneville. Ooh. I've been thinking about that too. Like, do I want to paint my car? I thought about it. I said I thought about it.
I'll wait a few more years on that.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get another car before I do this. That way I won't be looking for it.
I'm gonna be enjoying this motherfucker.
Yeah, I remember this guy right here, don't it? Y'all remember me whooping his ass, right? You wanna race again, nigga? You wanna race, nigga? Huh? You wanna race? Whooped his ass. I whooped his ass. I made an intro off this nigga.
Oh yeah, that is fucked up, man.
I made an intro off this nigga right here, man.
Shot past it,
Yeah, he
ain't really black though.
He just did the 1 out of 3.
Hey man, cut.
That's
cut.
all.
Cut. We ain't talking about that. Why you bringing up bullshit?
Now watch him edit. Watch him edit it out.
Boy, I ain't editing out nothing. They seen the videos.
We had to do or die that night. Everybody.
They seen the videos.
Y'all can't leave on no time.
Hell no, we couldn't leave on no time. Well, that shit was fun as hell. I ain't lying, but I had some more fun. Nigga gotta understand, bro. Like all these niggas that be getting mad and shit when they be losing and shit. Like, bro, I don't be caring shit about this shit. Bro, I swear to God, I don't care. What? It is. Yeah, man, I don't be caring nothing about this shit. Right, as long as it come up, shit, it don't matter. Ain't no spring going there?
No, all of them do that. Everyone out of work though, it's something with that cable. It's a recall on it.
Ah, okay.
They only say they got the part.
They got the part. They just at the dealer. They want you to bring it to the dealer so you can fix it. Yeah, they want you to bring it to the dealer so you can fix it. So they can get that $2,500 out you. You gonna get on everybody else's nerves. Think I don't work y'all nerves enough. Yeah. I just called Ty N-word and burnt rub on it. Ty, your N-word is masked off. Oh boy. Man, don't none of these folks take me serious, man. Man, my battery low. It's all good. Ty up here getting it in. I don't know where he went. Oh, he back though. Ty up here painting, cutting the scissors and stuff. Ooh! Hey, I wasn't supposed to show that one. That one. The cutlass. Oh, for real? Oh. Yeah, I just caught him N-word, y'all, and then mashed off.
Y'all won at some point.
Look, I'm getting on everybody goddamn nerves today, because I'm finna go home and go to sleep.
No, you ain't.
Shit.
Wife ain't gonna listen.
She ain't there.
Oh, that's that time to be there.
She ain't there.
Best time to be there.
She'll be there in a minute, though. I'm trying to give me a power nap.
Man, they gonna come and see about that whole day.
Nah, my wife don't be tripping on this shit, though. If I'm in there asleep, she come there and go down and lay asleep right beside my head. She don't want to talk. She don't want to talk about nothing.
over my head.
The cover just over my head with my eyes closed.
Yeah.
And I'm making animal noises.
Man, leave me alone. You must be tired. Stop talking to me.
Damn, you fucked up, man.
No, I'm trying to get my rest.
Yeah. Oh, Marlon and painted that old cutlass. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, I just seen, huh? Who done that is? What's up, man? Ty, the hell you talking about?
Say what?
What you talking about? This one? Who got that there?
That car ain't in over.
Oh.
Yeah, they be shitting in junk green in the Nova. It's supercharged too.
Oh, what's up, man? I'm B-Lo, man. I know you like, man, what the fuck?
Yeah, it's supercharged.
Real. I ain't.
Yeah, that junk.
I ain't sure nobody got damn motor.
Yeah, you barely touch the gate.
Y'all see what's going on. Look at that hole. Got that hole in there. This one here too. Got that hole in there.
Getting somebody right.
I'm looking at this joint like, god damn.
That's my next job. I'm gonna get a cousin.
For real.
Hey, bro. You see where I'm at, Tony?
Look at this shit.
See where I'm at?
Man, that mine got a. Damn.
72 over there somewhere. Look, cuz. Whoa, hey, I ain't working.
Trying to make some shit happen.
You better put that shit on the phone. This is Monte Carlo right here. Cousin.
That red shot right here.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Right here.
All this red got.
Yeah.
Had to come pick these pieces up, man.
What is it, 100?
Had to come pick these pieces up.
Right here.
Oh, okay. That's why he
Give her
got
a piece to piece to the puzzle, man.
You look at the clam shells when you need some?
Yeah, I just got them. These me. Yep.
That feel like a funny tour, man.
Man, you see that shit? That big ass wheel on the back of that motherfucker. I'm looking at the motor. Look,
Yeah, nothing like that is.
look, I'm looking at the motor, then looking at the wheels like, nah, something going on with this motherfucker. That's it. That don't match.
He might match in a minute.
Man, he got something going on, bro. You got something going on in this joint.
Yeah, driving off there. He outside.
But yeah, man, I had to
I know I named my car the battery.
come get these clamshells, man. That's a piece to my puzzle, what I'm about to do for 2022, man. So, yeah. Had to go ahead and do it, man. Pick these up, clean them up, man. Paint them up. Change them out one day, man. I don't know when. I'm gonna change them out, man, but they gotta be changed out. But we down here, man. Y'all see what's going on. Down here with the money. Got a wish his ass, yeah. I like the hood, but I only like them on Impalas though. Like I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it on my car at all. Flow shoe? Oh yeah. Dash wrap. That's what I need. I need my dash wrap. My dash wrap. What else need to do wrap? Everything. The whole interior, everything need to be wrapped. Who that is calling me? Yeah, man, that thing clean though. Don't know what all that is. It ain't like my car though. Man, I like the hood, man. I really do. I just don't like it for my car. I can't do it on my car. So y'all be on the lookout, man, because I'm pretty sure this junk gonna be out soon. Sitting back here, it ain't gonna be back here long. It's a big old lip on the front of this junk though. Yeah, man, we got these little clam shells. So man, we about to go in. Well, I ain't gonna say we about to go and get it on, but we definitely finna do something. Change up this setup, man.